Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to enable macros in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to enable macros in Excel. Method 1 via Backstage view. The very first solution you can try is turning on macros via Office Backstage view. To do so, navigate to the File menu. Click Info option left menu. Under Security Warning part, you have to click on the Enable Content option. Enable all content. Method 2 Enable VBA codes via Trust Center. As many of you are unaware of the fact that MS Excel allows or disallows the macro to run based on the macro setting chosen in the Trust Center. However, to get VBA enabled in all MS Excel documents by default, you have to click File tab then Options. After this, you have to select Trust Center then Trust Center Settings. Under Trust Center dialog box, you have to click on the macro settings on the left. Choose Enable all macros. Hit OK. Fix worksheet related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to enable macros in Excel in 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.